In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make really tasty granola bars using oats, nuts and seeds bound together with raw Irish honey, nut butter and dates. I'm Fiona. Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. The first thing I'm going to start with these granola bars is to lightly toast some of the oats. This is an interesting recipe. It's really handy to put in a lunchbox, have a tasty snack, but this one actually you don't use the oven at all. You could, if you wanted to, you could toast your oats and your nuts and your seeds in the oven for a few minutes. The seeds take slightly less, but in this way here I'm just going to do it on a dry pan for a few minutes, stirring around. Once the oats are lightly toasted, you can just pop them into a bowl. Then you're going to pop in your mixed seeds and we're going to toast, or mixed nuts and mixed seeds. And we're going to pop them in to toast for a few minutes. While they're toasting, I'm going to blitz up the dates. So I like to use the medjool dates. They're really thick and creamy. If you can't get these, you could use the regular dates from the veggie aisle of your supermarket. Just make sure there's no glucose syrup added. And you could just soak them in hot water for about 10 minutes and drain them, and then they will blitz much easier. Once it's come together in a lump like this, we're then going to, we'll pop it into the saucepan and we'll heat that up with the peanut butter and the raw Irish honey. So we're just going to heat them up gently until it's blended, melted together. So to finish off these healthy snacks, we've got our oats, which are lightly toasted. We've got our nuts and seeds, which we've lightly toasted. Then we're going to add in a few goji berries. And then we're going to add in our half teaspoon of cinnamon. These are often one of the things that I put in the goodie bags at my different cookery demos. They are a really nice, healthy snack to have around. So we mix all the dry ingredients together, and then we have our wet ingredients that we put on. So we have our honey, our nut butter, and our dates. They've come together as a nice paste, and we're going to mix the two together. So you're going to mix in all the wet ingredients. And we're going to stir it all together. So now we have the mixture all stirred together. We're going to pop it into our tin. Ideally it's 20 centimetre by 20 centimetre. Mine's just a little bit bigger, so I just won't cover the full tray. Now you're going to push it down into the tray. I find using my hands a lot easier here. So as you're not actually baking these, it is important to push it down and compact it all really well together, because otherwise it'll crumble as you try and cut it. Now with it all pressed well together, we're going to pop it into the fridge for at least an hour, and then we'll be able to cut it into nice pieces. So the granola bars have been in the fridge for at least an hour. Now we're ready to slice them up. You simply remove it. And cut down like so. And there you have beautiful, tasty, healthy granola bars. another great healthy snack on the go. Thanks for watching today's video on granola bars. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like or leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other skills videos like how to make chocolate or recipes like power bars. Thanks a mil. See you soon.